Did you see it?
That is so amazing.
That
I did not.
is.
Thank you for picking that up on
Yeah,
that, Carolyn.
pretty cool sight.
Yeah, it is. Hey, we've got some changes that are coming on our weather. So you talked about cool. We could use it another way. It's cooling down. Okay, so first of all, 82 degrees is the temperature in Boise, 79 in Ontario. Many of these temperatures made it into the low to the mid 80s for this afternoon. So quite warm for the day and for the time of year. If you take a look at the high temperatures for the past 2 weeks, they've been going up and down. Do you remember this one on Sunday when it was only 52 degrees? That was a week from just yesterday. But then the temperatures really started to climb, and they've been up there for the past, well, so if you want to call it at 70 degrees, you know, it's been about the past 6 days or so. We've just had sunshine, mild conditions, looking really good. And here's a part of the change, though. The winds are blowing outside, and you can see we've had some gusts up to 26 miles an hour. When the front comes through, that's going to be about mid to late evening. And when that happens, we could be seeing some wind gusts that could be even a little bit stronger than that. They could get up to 30, 35 miles an hour. And if we see any isolated thunderstorms, that could possibly bring in a chance of even a little stronger winds, especially east of Boise. When you look at the high clouds right now, this is because we have a storm out to our west. And here's the frontal system right through here. It's just entered into Malheur County. So Vail, Oregon, be watching for that, as well as Ontario. It's going to be moving through Weiser, all of these different locations, through Canyon County, and eventually hit Boise just a little bit later tonight. Now, that's the first one. Here's the first front through. I got to point out one other thing. Out here off the coastline, you see another low. So a portion of that's going to be coming in later tomorrow afternoon. So you have one, and then you have number two. I bring that into your attention because as you look at the futurecast, here we have the high overcast. Tonight, pretty late, but anywhere from about 10, maybe 9 to 12 o'clock tonight, there's a chance of a shower, and in that could even be embedded an isolated thunderstorm. Then we get a break. Then that next wave, remember I showed you off the coastline? That's a little larger. That one's coming in for Tuesday morning, or excuse me, Tuesday afternoon. So there's your rain that's coming through here. And I think that's the time that we're actually going to be seeing some showers moving through tomorrow afternoon. This particular model indicates that there could be an isolated thunderstorm along with some heavier rain showers. After that, tomorrow afternoon, some scattered showers into early Wednesday morning. And then after that, it pretty much clears up. So that's the whole situation that we see here coming up within the next 3 to 4 days. It dries out a bit toward the end of the week, and as we move into the weekend, I'll have your 7-day forecast. So Jerome tomorrow at 63, 65 for Burley. Moving into the Central Mountains, you see highs mainly into the 50s. Yeah, it's cooling down quite a bit in the mountains. In fact, the high temperature in McCall, only 48. So the low is down to 44, but there's rain showers through there. And you know, even above 6,500 feet, as we get into late Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, there could be some light snow almost coming as low as in the towns of McCall, close to Sun Valley, but you'll see it around the area, especially on top of Baldy. Caldwell tomorrow at 64, Emmett at 64 degrees in the rain showers. Then you see Boise with rain showers mainly tomorrow afternoon. Breezy tomorrow with a temperature up to 64, and then the low temperature tonight down to 53 degrees. So the next 7 days, there's the wind. Tuesday, Wednesday, and look how the temperature drops. Wednesday is down to 57 degrees. You see Thursday is 63. Up, we're starting to warm back up just a little bit. You see 68 degrees as we get toward the end of the week. And finally the weekend. I could say at least at this time, we've got a little sunshine there and temperatures around 70. So we're seeing about a 10-degree drop, if not a little bit more, even when it warms up toward this next weekend from what we had this last weekend.
Yeah, but let's ask again, what day did you say that little snowflakes could fall on maybe the valley floors in the mountains?
In the mountains, that could actually be Tuesday night and early Wednesday morning. It's going to get cold enough that we're going to be, and you know, we'll be showing you pictures of those. Yeah. And then someday, down here in the valley, we'll see it ourselves.
It'll happen. Well, we've got
to string it along.
We've actually got an away game this weekend. Is that right?